Well, good afternoon, Carmel Valley YouTube visitors. Let me make a distinction. This is Carmel Valley, San Diego, not Carmel Valley up in NoCal, North Cal. NoCal, is that what they call it? This is a great Carmel Valley as well. This is our sister community up north. One of the hottest markets still in San Diego County. It's been that way for a very, very long time. I believe it does have a lot to do with the demographics, the location, and certainly the schools. I mean, people move to Carmel Valley because it's just a great place to live, and it has schools that really are second to none throughout San Diego County. There are great school districts around San Diego County, but Carmel Valley seems to have a better offering, and that's why so many people move into this community, and they just really think that the homes retain their value because of the schools. Let me get you caught up in a market that I've been in for 15 years, and I've sold hundreds of homes in this community. It's a great place, great location, great everything about it. We have been averaging about 150 homes on the market for the last 2 years. It seems like a lot, but you're talking about a community that has 10,000 homes, but on average we have about 150 of those homes on the market. That's a very small number, and these are detached properties too, by the way. The average market time is about 81 days. That means the property sits on the market for about 81 days. However, let me just say that that can be skewed if these listings, these homes have been refreshed on the market. Oftentimes that's what we find. So what that means, you may have it listed for 6 months, relist it because it didn't sell, and now you have a listing that says 60 days when the reality is it's 8 months or even longer. So 81 days is not bad. Average listing price right now is $1,137,000. And again, these are properties that are below $3 million in Carmel Valley. So just to give you an idea of what's available out there. 150 homes, roughly 147, and average list price is about $1,137, $1,137. Wouldn't that be nice? $1,137. As far as the square footage is concerned, about the same. About 3,200 square feet is the average size of the homes that are detached properties in Carmel Valley. We're still seeing a lot of contingent sales, properties that go into a contingent state. That means they're still in negotiations with the bank. Presently, we have 12 homes that are in a, quote, contingent state and still negotiating with the bank to try to get that home seller out of those properties. The nice thing about Carmel Valley, too, is that when you have such a large percentage of the properties that are contingent, that seems to be the norm in other communities as well, with the one exception, and that is not only do we have the contingent sales, but we have the pending. So homes are going into escrow in a traditional form as they are going into escrow in, quote, a short term. So homes that went into escrow, we have 10 properties that went into escrow just in the last week. This isn't the whole year. That's a pretty number. It's a really solid number of activity when you look at what's happening. And I think I backed it up on the homes that are on the market about 133 days. But average sale price, that's in, quote, a pending state, is $1,044,000. Average size home is 3,034 square feet. As far as homes that come and go off the market, as I said earlier, this is probably one of those markets where you see a lot of expireds, a lot of canceled homes, a lot of withdrawn properties, and a lot of stuff that's going on. And it's unusual because it's a very live market. All the different categories of homes, what we're seeing is there's always movement. Canceled, withdrawn, expired, pending, contingent, active. All of these categories are very active in this community. We average, again, probably 35 to 40 traditional sales a month. When you take on another 5 or 10 short sales that actually get into escrow, the number could be as high as 40, 45. These are only detached properties. So that kind of gives you an idea of what we're seeing here. We've had 3 that went into what we call a withdrawn state. We have 4 that were actually canceled, and we have 4 that were expired from the market. So a really robust market, a great place to be. If you're interested in Carmel Valley, feel free to give us a call at 858-699-1145. We'll be glad to chat with you a little bit and give you an idea on what the market's doing, even go deeper than we are today. This is just our real estate market update. I'm Joseph Sampson. And by the way, if you're thinking about short selling, give us a call. Diane Sampson, my partner, is one of the experts in the area. She is fantastic. She can help you really make a determination whether your home should be short sold or not. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so very much for listening and watching. 858-699-1145. Take care now. Bye-bye.